Actually, we're going to be pretty lucky because the train's so late. We're probably going to get to see some of the Rockies in the daytime. Normally the train leaves Kamloops at 1 o'clock and you get to Jasper at 8 in the morning. So hopefully we'll get to see some of the Rockies. Maybe we'll get a good view of Mount Robson. Anyway, stay tuned. Right now we're in North Thompson River here. Very nice, very peaceful. Anyway, long way to go. Long time to get there. Here we are, guys. Day one train trip across Canada. It's about 6:30. Train was about 4 hours late leaving the station. So anyway, we're about 1 hour in. Not that much room on the train when you're 6'4", but anyway, it's not that bad. We'll see how it goes. 1 hour in, about 80 to go. This is what a bitumen train looks like. Here's what it looks like. This is coach. Seats lean back. Put your feet up. It'd help if you were about 4 feet tall, though. Beautiful Blue River. Starting to hit the mountains now. We're going back out this summer. We'll take a 70 Chevelle convertible, so. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Beautiful. It's called a slide fence. So what happens when a rock comes down, it sends off a light. A light starts blinking and the trains slow down. Make sure the tracks are still here. You'd think they'd come and brush this out a bit. Absolutely. It wouldn't take them long. Actually, my guys would probably end up doing Beautiful. There you go, guys. Mount Robson, the jewel of the Rockies. That's pretty wild. Beautiful. Amazing mountain. Beautiful. Take the train. You can see Mount Robson. 18 days out of the year. We got lucky. Anyway. Jasper, Alberta. 9 hours in on our trip. 80 hours, 70 some odd hours to go. Anyway, take the train when you got a lot of time. CN home. Anyway. She's crispied. Hey guys, we're in Jasper. You can see where all the fires went through. We're on the whole east side here. It's pretty wild, man. It all used to be treed. You just see the remnants. Anyway, beautiful day in Jasper, about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're just gonna grab a coffee. Train stopping here for an hour or so. Still a pretty scenic place. Anyway, beautiful downtown Jasper on a sunny Saturday afternoon. Hey guys, it might not be the fastest way to see the country, but it sure is the most scenic. Ever get a chance, take the Via. It's way cheaper than the Rocky Mountaineer. And you actually, they've got coach, they've got sleepers, but it's cheaper to take a train from Vancouver to Toronto than it is to drive, just about, if you've got the time and the inclination. As it is just, it's pretty stunning. We live in an amazing country. Everybody should get a chance to see it. Like, check out that view. The Canadian Rockies, the gift that just keeps on giving. Beautiful. Said, take the train, sit back, enjoy the ride. So we went for a swim in Vancouver. I went for a swim in Newfoundland.
Nice.
When we go up to the Arctic, I made Blair, he swore a pact, we're gonna go for a swim in the Arctic.
Ooh.
Beautiful. Yeah, another hour and we'll be out of the mountains. We won't be seeing none of this anymore.
Right.
So I better enjoy it now.
Take it all in.
Yeah, wow, not a cloud in the sky, eh? Well, on this side anyway. Yeah, on my side, it's not a cloud in the sky. Ooh, that's a cool pinnacle. That's a beautiful rock there. Like I said, I'm a rock guy.
No,
Like we'd throw a rope off that one and come down it. Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Very cool. Rock scaler's dream, that one. Here we go, guys, into the foothills. Doesn't take long to go from the big ones to the smaller ones, but it's still very beautiful. In the spring, when everything's green, it'd be wild. Check out that geology, guys. I mean, these were all probably sediment beds laid down flat, and look at the curve. I mean, what monumental forces were working on that millions of years ago. Very cool. Very, very cool. Makes you realize how insignificant we really are, but that's pretty wild. Chunk of rock. Sun's trying to come out. It'll be a nice day. Chilly, but nice. But sunshine and flat lands. Cleared right up. Beauty day, guys. I think we're a couple hours out of Saskatoon. Getting a little more contour, not quite as flat as it used to be, but still a lot of big sky. Beautiful downtown Biggar. Biggar, Biggar, Saskatchewan. I think the saying is New York's big, but this is bigger. Anyway. Where they dump the city snow, I'm guessing. Quite the pile of it. Well, guys, 2:20 Sunday afternoon, and we are still going across the prairies. This is about the flattest it's been. We're still in Saskatchewan, left Saskatoon a couple minutes ago. I think our next stop is Melville, 6 o'clock or somewhere around there. Anyway, more of the same. Don't blink, you'll miss it. One thing you don't see out here is coniferous trees. It's all scrub. No pine, no fir, no cedar, no spruce. I don't know if there's junipers or not. I haven't seen any, but you never know. There we go. See, make a liar out of me. There's a couple coniferous trees. It's about 6:30, 6:40. Sunday night. We just crossed into Manitoba. We're in the scenic Qu'Appelle Valley. The geography has changed a lot in the last little bit. We've gone from the super flats to all of a sudden got some hills, looks like a river valley or maybe lakes, but anyway, totally different. Got a beautiful sunset happening. And yeah, welcome to Manitoba and the Qu'Appelle Valley. It'll be pretty wild in the summer. Everything green and lush. Anyway, it's quite the change from the last 24 hours going across the flatlands. It's nice to see some hills. Anyway, Manitoba, Qu'Appelle Valley. I think we're getting stuck in the hole here waiting for another freight train to come at us, slowing down. Wow, 210. I think that's 210 from Winnipeg. But I could be wrong. Beautiful. Sunrise. Northern Ontario somewhere. Oh, look, we have trees again. Still nothing but lakes and trees and rocks. It's a beautiful day taking the train. Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. We're in beautiful downtown sunny Armstrong, Northern Ontario, and I'm not impressed with the weather you guys are having out here. It's been 4 days on the train to get there, but we see you at the Motorama, 7th, 8th, and 9th in Toronto. Looking forward to meeting all you guys, seeing some cool cars. See you there, and hopefully the weather improves, because it's not that good here. Anyway, it's nice in BC. See you guys soon. Ciao. Still going through Northern Ontario. I keep calling it Alberta. Just noticed we've got a lot of tamarack trees here. They're the ones that look like they're dead, but they're not. A lot of them growing out here. Just thought it was kind of cool. But anyway, we're still in the land of trees and rocks. Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. We're in beautiful Hornpain, Northern Ontario. Sitting here in the baggage car. This is where they're making me ride. But anyway, we're coming back. See you guys at Motorama next week, 7th, 8th, and 9th, Motorama. Hope to see you guys there, and hopefully they let me out of the baggage car. Okay, ciao guys. Hey guys, anyway, day 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 days on the train. We're going through Southern Ontario. I think we've got about another 12 hours. We're out of the forests and more into the flatlands. There's a lot of snow in Southern Ontario. Quite surprised. Anyway, it's been a long trip. About another 12 hours, and it should be a Union Station, give or take. But remember, the trains do not run on time, they run on the tracks. Hey guys, I'm here with Kyle and Bruno. We finally made it to where they keep the food. First they locked me up in the baggage car, now they showed me where the food is. I'm gonna get a breakfast. Anyway, Kyle and Bruno, and we're here in the CN where all the rich people come to eat on the train. Anyway, they might even feed me. Well guys, after 80 hours on the train. The chef wanted to meet me, so I got invited down into the dining car. It's pretty posh here anyway. I'm not allowed to film anybody, but anyway, we are in the dining car. We're gonna have a nice breakfast on the train. It's beautiful, very nice. Hey guys, I got fans everywhere, even the chef on the Via number 2. They invited me down and they're forcing me to eat this amazing breakfast. God, I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try.
Mike.
Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. We're here with Dave. He's the man entrusted with my sacred life. Keep this train on the tracks, and so far you're doing a great job, Dave. Keep it up.
I can't handle the stress, so this is too much.
Anyway, guys, you want to take a nice relaxing trip across the country, go with Via. Take time. One word of advice, if you're over 6 feet tall, book a sleeper. Otherwise, you're gonna call it the Pretzel Express. 4 days in coach, I don't know if I'll ever walk again. Anyway, see you guys at Motorama, 7th, 8th, and 9th. I'll be there. Take care. Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. We're a couple hours out of Toronto, and you guys should be shipping all this snow back to the ski hills in BC. They'd be crying if they saw what you guys got here. Anyway, I'm quite impressed. Glad I brought my boots. Anyway, 2 hours out of Toronto, and it's still winter. It looks like it's warming up though. Yeah, we have snow piles. Amazing. Last time we came through here, it was springtime here and winter in BC. It's been about, God knows, 80 some odd hours on the train. We're just going by beautiful Lake Simcoe. In the background there, we're gonna be in Toronto in an hour or two. Anyway, see you guys at Motorama next week, 7th, 8th, and 9th at the Exhibition Center. Looking forward to it. It's been a long trip, but glad to be here. See you there. Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. It's been, I don't know, 80 hours on the train, but we've made it to the big smoke, pulling into Union Station. Anyway, see you guys at Motorama, 7th, 8th, and 9th. See you guys there. Good to see Toronto. First time I've seen it from the train. And we are definitely in Toronto. That's the CN Tower behind me. See you guys at Motorama, March 7th, 8th, and 9th next week. Okay, thanks guys. Been quite the trip getting here, but we're in the big smoke, Union Station. Trains everywhere. Guys, I don't know, 7 o'clock. We're in Toronto, the airport, Terminal 1, trying to find the shuttle bus to the hotel, but what an epic voyage. Anyway, we're almost there. See you guys at Motorama 2025, 7th, 8th, and 9th. See you next week. Thanks, guys.